back to my YouTube channel. For everyone who's new to the channel, hi guys, my name is Trishna and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, travel. Now today's video, as you already read the title, is one of the most craziest thing that I have done or I will be doing this time, is basically coloring my hair. Now to be very honest, we all are stuck in quarantine and I thought to do something different. I had plan of recoloring my hair. I had plans of doing it around April, and it's already April now, and now we are stuck at home and we do not have any resources, so I thought I can give it a try. And I'm actually inspired by my friend Charuta right here. You can go and subscribe her channel. You can follow her on Instagram as well. I'm linking all her details down somewhere in the description box and right here as well. So I saw her coloring her hair. She's also stuck at home at Boston and she colored her hair herself. So I'm also planning to do this, and it's like I don't have words what I'm gonna do next. I hope, keeping the fingers crossed, that I do well and don't damage my hair further. So I'm just gonna color the hair which is already colored. But before going into the video, let's change the clothes. So here we are. I've changed to my oldest pair of t-shirt because I'm gonna color my hair. So basically I was looking for L'Oreal's burgundy color because I wanted to go red this time, but I was unable to find burgundy color in any of the chemist store near me. The only thing is that you cannot go inside any of the stores, unfortunately. So I found one burgundy color which is from Garnier. I don't know how well this will do because it's cheap. I don't know. I'm not judging it. I'm gonna use this color and see if this actually works, because a lot of my people who I know of use Garnier, but I am not sure because I've used a L'Oreal color and now suddenly I'm switching to Garnier. So I'm just clueless. I didn't find the color burgundy in Colorish or in any of the L'Oreal thing, and I had to buy it from the chemist store and not like a beauty shop or something. But let's keep the fingers crossed and hope that this particular burgundy color works for me. So all of the products that are there inside are the colorant, the developer, the mixing ratio should be 1:1, the conditioner and the gloves. So let's get started. So because I have like short hair, like only till here, and I'm going to use only this much, I've only used half of it and I'm already wearing my gears. Mixing this up, this is going to be messy as F. I can actually not feel anything in my hand right now. I wish I had a brush, but never mind, it's fine. I'm just gonna mix everything up and start coloring the hair. I just hope this does not work. So it's been half an hour and now I'm just going to wash my hair. My color is just all over the place. So we'll wash it and see how well the color has come out. So this is how the color looks like as of now. I clearly don't know how much the camera is picking up. But I'm going to post a picture right here somewhere and show you the picture in proper lighting, because as of now I can all see it's like black on the screen right here. So I'm going to post a picture, and yeah, this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do give a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to follow me on all the social media links down below. And till the time I come back, please do take care of yourself and do not forget to subscribe as well.